Hey everybody! Welcome to this A1 English Listening Practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram. Are you ready? Today, I'm going to talk about homes. This is an important topic because we talk about our homes a lot. Let's talk about the different types of homes. Some people live in houses. Some people live in apartments. Other people live in different types of homes. Houses and apartments are the most common types of homes. In big cities, people often live in apartments. Apartments are very common in big cities. They are usually smaller and cheaper than houses. Some apartments are in very tall buildings. These buildings can have 20 or 30 floors. I don't want to live on the 30th floor. I prefer living on the first or second floor. If you live outside the city, you probably live in a house, not an apartment. People who live in the countryside usually live in houses. These houses are usually bigger than apartments. They also have backyards. A backyard is the place behind your house. You can have grass, trees, gardens, or a pool there. When I was a kid, I loved playing in my backyard. It was fun to play outside every day. Most apartments do not have backyards. They usually have balconies instead. Now let's talk about the price of houses and apartments in the U.S. Houses and apartments can be very expensive in big cities. In my home state of California, houses and apartments cost a lot of money. The average price of a house in California is about $600,000. Crazy, right? It is also very expensive to rent an apartment in California. In the U.S., people usually rent apartments. In some other countries, people often buy apartments. When I was younger, I shared an apartment with roommates. It is common to have roommates in the U.S. Sometimes you have good roommates, sometimes you have bad roommates. Have you ever had roommates before? Now let's talk about other types of homes. Some people live in condos. Condos are similar to apartments. They are part of a bigger building or complex. In the U.S., many people buy condos instead of renting them. Another type of home in the U.S. is a townhouse. Townhouses are similar to houses, but they are usually smaller and cheaper. They are often part of a community of townhouses. So there are many different types of homes. People can buy or rent houses, apartments, condos, or townhouses. Some people prefer houses. Some people prefer apartments. Others prefer condos or townhouses. I think I prefer houses. I hope I can buy a house in the future. All right, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me what type of home you live in. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram for more English tips and lessons. I'll see you next time.